Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how you can add and record bills in Zoho Books. It's very easy thing to do, so let's get started. A bill is a document that indicates the amount you owe your vendors for the goods or services you buy from them. So let's see how bills add in Zoho Books. For this, first open Zoho Books and log into your account. Then from the left side select purchases. Then from the drop down menu select bills. Then you will see your previous bills here. To add new bills, just click on new. Then you will get a form to fill up. Now first select a vendor, then select the bill, order number, bill date, due date, and now select the type of the item. Now select account, quantity, rate, and then if there are any tax, select tax, and then you can add another line. Then just click on save and it will be added, and that's it. That's how you can create or add bills to your Zoho account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tips like this.